Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a BattlEye launcher blocking DLL from Rainbow Six or Rainbow Six Siege. So this is how this error looks like, and as you can see this is lib curl DLL. So first of all you want to go on your Rainbow Six Siege or Rainbow Six, go to properties, install files and browse. After that you want to go ahead and locate that DLL file which has been blocked. So it should be, here it is, lib curl DLL. What you want to do is go ahead and copy it. After that you want to go to your PC, right there, local disk C, then Windows, and then you want to find system32 folder. Here it is. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and paste that file right there, just like so. Click continue, and here it is. Now if you already had that here, you want to replace it, and if that still didn't fix the problem but you already had lib curl DLL here, you want to just simply delete it and your game should now launch. So just check if you already had that or not. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.